So here they say simplify without the use of a calculator the following expressions fully. We are given this one, and this one. 1.2.1, you are given this. So what is the best approach here? Here is my best approach. Start working on the bracket. Right. This 125 can be written as 5 to the power of 3. This x can be written as this. Remember the laws of exponents. Outside, there's nothing that we can do yet. So then we move on. All right. So if you fix what is inside, you will have 5 to the power of 3. This one will be x to the power of 6. All right. So the next move, you need to multiply the exponents. You will have 5 to the power of 3 times 2 over 3. Then we are here x to the power of 6 times 2 to the power of 3. Right? And then the next move, these will cancel. Okay? This will cancel. We are left with 5 to the power of 2 times this one will be, when you look at this will be x to the power of 4. All right? So they are okay. This divided by this is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Right. So when you simplify this, you will get 25 x to the power of 4. So let's look at this one. What do you see here? Here you must understand the laws of sets. As you can see here, you can simple open two brackets, right? Minus 2. All right. So the next move here is to write this bracket as it is. Write this bracket as it is. All right. So here, don't put 27. Just look for the factors of 27 that will make sure that one of those numbers is going to be a perfect square. All right. So you need to fix this. Remember, root times root. This one, I don't want to rush it. It's going to be this because 3 times 3 is 9 inside, right? So root 3 times 3 is going to be 3 root 3. This is the same thing. It's going to be 3 root 3, right? And then when we move on, 3 times 3 is going to be positive 9. But look at this. This one is going to be 2 root 9 times root 3. Right? Right? I hope you are still okay there. Look at this one. This will be 3. Look at this one. If we can symbol add this one's like terms. We have 3 root 3's here. We have 3. So when we add them, we have 6 of them. All right. So when it comes here, we have this plus 9. This one is going to be 3. It's the same as this. So we are left with 3. Okay, let me just fix this. Let me do it like this. This is going to be 3, right? Root 3. So what do you see? We have this 3 plus 6 root 3 plus 9. I'm just doing this for you. Minus 6 root 3. Right. So add numbers and simplify the roots. So we have 3 plus 9, and then we have 6 minus 6. Oh, come on. As you can see, these ones, they are minusing or subtracting each other. So what is left is going to be 12. So I'm starting this one here. All right. What is given here? We are given y equal to x plus 2. And then we are given xy plus y squared minus 10 into x plus 1 equal to 0. This is simultaneous equation. So I need to name my equations. This is 1 and 2. When you pay attention to the given equations here, we don't need equation 3. Why? Because y is already the subject of the formula. So what next? The next thing is we are going to substitute equation 1 into equation 2. Why we do that? We do that because we want to kill the y's in this equation. How to kill y's? Where there is y, we are going to put this x plus 2. So this is how we kill y. All right. And then plus, this is y as well, x plus 2. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, plus 2, but it's squared, minus 10, and then x plus 1 equal to 0. What is next here? You need to fix this. Right, it's going to be x times x is x squared, x times 2 is 2x. Now, we need to fix this as well. So remember, this tells you you have x plus 2, x plus 2. So you need to multiply the brackets. So x times x is x squared, x times 2 is 2x, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 2 is 4, as you can see. So you fix this one, it's going to be 4x. So what do you have here? We are going to have plus x squared. So we are going to have x squared plus 4x plus 4. All right, so this is the product. I prefer you do this aside like this, because if you do it here, it becomes ugly, very ugly, trust me, and confusing. So negative 10 times x will have negative 10x. Negative 10 times 1 gonna be negative 10 equal to 0, remember. And then what is next? So the next move here is to collect the like terms, right? So we have x squared, we have x squared. So how many of them? We have 2x squared, right? Now let's look at x's alone. We have 2x, 4x, minus 10x. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Minus 10 is going to be minus 4x. In terms of the numbers, we have 4 and negative 10. So it's going to be negative 6 equal to 0. So we have these two here. We can simply divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. We get rid of it. So what is going to be? So we'll be left with x squared, negative 2x, and negative 3. Here is 0. So what next? You need to open two brackets. All right. So we have x times x. And then we have 3 times 1. What do you have here? We are going to get this one. So the bigger number will get the middle term sign. And then here must be positive, because negative 3 times positive 1 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2, which is correct in this case. So your first x will be 3 and your second x will be negative 1. So what is the next step now? The next step now, you take these values, you plug them when x is equal to 3 or when x is equal to negative 1. Remember, we are looking for x and y here. So you need to use these values to find the values of y. So the question to answer, what is y when x is 3? What is y when x is negative 1? So we use this equation. Y will be equal to 3. We are putting, remember, the value of x here, plus 2 will be equal to 5. This is the value of y when x is 3. And then here, y will be equal to, when x is negative 1, y will be equal to positive 1, as you can see. Remember, we have x, y. Our x is 3 here, our y is 5. And our x is -1 here, and our y is 1. So these are the values of x and y. Please like this video.